John Deere 9R 120 millimeter single reduction axles. You can ID these. The easiest way to ID these is the 3-bolt pattern. The three bolt clusters on the axle housing. So a 9R will have a 4-groove ring gear, heavy duty Planetary gears, 18-bolt ring gear. A 9520 or 9620 will just have a 3-groove 14-bolt. So we offer this 2 ways. Good used, where we actually do a vertical axle test on the bearing. The bearing is in spec, which basically has no play in it. It's good used, it's ready to go on. If it's out of spec, then we install new bearings and seal. Both have the same warranty, just different price point. We do sell these also disassembled, where we sell you a housing, shaft, Planetary, and then a gear set. We also do sell a gear set. So the gear set is the ring gear, Planetary gears, and the pinion shaft. So a lot of different ways to sell these. We do sell a complete axle. We sell those good tested, and we also sell those rebuilt. So if we can help you out with one of these, we keep them on the shelf ready to rock and roll. If you need a complete axle, we keep them on the shelf just like this with the center sections ready. So if you needed a complete axle, we can put one together real quick. Give us a call if we can help you.